How to calm back pain. Back pain can be caused by tiredness, stress, the presence of a herniated disc, poor posture, or due to trauma, and some simple measures that can be practiced to relieve back pain are enough rest and mobilize muscles to improve blood circulation, promoting well-being. Back pain is one of the most common medical problems. It can be pain in the form of punctures, lacerating or burning, and can radiate into the limbs causing tingling, numbness, or weakness in the arms and legs. This pain can occur either in the lower back, in the upper back, or in the middle of the back. However, the recommendations to follow serve to treat the pain in general, regardless of where you are. Tips for relieving back pain. Below are 1. Simple steps to relieve back pain at home. 1. Relax. Try lying on your side or sitting so that your back is fully reclining in the chair for a few minutes. And avoid staying in the same position for a long time, even sitting, lying, or standing. Being in a more comfortable position, we manage to breathe better and the muscle fibers are released, relieving back pain. 2. Hot. How to calm back pain. Place a warm compress exactly in the region where the back pain is generating, leaving it on for 2 minutes. 3. Massage. Take a warm bath and let the warm water jet fall very hard exactly in the region where you feel back pain, and do a self-massage with your own hands and a little cream or oil on your back with moderate intensity movements, insisting more where there is more pain. Other options include receiving a massage from a professional or sitting in a massage chair. 4. Take a medicine. If your back pain is very severe, take a muscle relaxant, analgesic, or attach a pain patch such as Salonpas in the region, under medical guidance. See some medications used to treat back pain. 5. Rest assured. How to calm back pain. Sleep lying on your side, head well supported on a not very soft pillow for at least 8 hours. 6. Lose weight. One of the causes of back pain is the excess weight that overloads the joints. So keeping a balanced diet, carrying out food re-education will give good long-term results. 7. Calm down. Place 2 drops of lavender or Marcella essential oil on the pillow, as this calms and promotes sleep. 8. Perform stretching. Do back stretches as shown in the pictures below, but avoid efforts and do exercises such as dumbbells or dance. 9. Protect yourself. Avoiding falls is always a good way to help recover back pain. For the elderly, you can resort to the poles and have some care inside the house, such as removing carpets, to prevent them from falling. 1. Improve your posture. Passing the day in the correct posture prevents back pain and also helps to attenuate the pain when already installed. Following these recommendations, back pain should be relieved. But if it becomes constant, this may be a sign of muscle weakness, and therefore practice some kind of physical activity may be necessary. Since back pain is often caused by bad postures, doing some postural re-education sessions with a specialized physiotherapist can be of great help. How to prevent back pain. Some ways to prevent back pain from appearing again are: maintain good sitting posture to distribute the weight of the body well. Practice exercises at least 3 times a week so that the muscles are strengthened and stretched. Lose weight if you are above the ideal weight to avoid overloading the joints of the spine. Sleep on a low pillow. If you fall asleep on the side and if you fall on your back, do not use pillow. Do not load a lot of weight, such as heavy backpacks and folders, for more than 1 minute a day, and avoid stress. By following these orientations, the chances of the individual developing back pain will again be considerably diminished. When to see a doctor. It is advised to go to the doctor if the back pain remains even following the instructions mentioned above. At the consultation, the doctor should be told all the symptoms, how long they are present, and in what situations they intensify.